There's landing immediately if you lose your video. Do not try to fix your video. We had somebody run into a truck over here at one point. Don't do that. Don't be that guy. You don't have to deal with the insurance. That guy doesn't live here no more.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and today is day 6 of the 30-day challenge. So I'm here in Longmont, Colorado. We're doing a multi-GP race. I'm not doing too well, but that's okay. But we did an endurance race, which was pretty freaking cool. So it was a 6 minutes and as many laps as you could get. So I just used my Freestyle quad, 1 battery, 1550 100C, and I managed to get 10 laps out of that, which was pretty good considering I wasn't using much throttle and just cruising. So I did pretty good. So I'll kind of show you guys around and we'll take a look.
Whiskey, I have some.
Which we will create over here to the just next to that first spiral gate. There'll be a little landing zone right there with some cones we have around there somewhere. Spotter rolls. If you're
So race day is over. Now I'm getting ready to go to Cheyenne, Wyoming, and we're going to do some tiny whoop racing. So that'll be fun. you guys for watching the video. Thank you for tuning in. And as always, while you're waiting for my next video tomorrow, let's keep those drones in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you later.